Alright, Ems is going to check out the Asian market. We saw the new store online. I think on Facebook we saw it. So we're going to go see what's going on in the Asian market. Ooh, pancit canton noodles. Let's get them. Let's try it out. I'll get with Ems and have her cook them up. Very cool place. It's really close to the house, so that's why we thought we'd stop here and check it out. Just opened, I don't think it's been here but a couple months. Good thing is, if we need just a few items that we forgot, we can just run up here and get them. We don't have to go to the major grocery stores. We can come here and just get the few items. What do you think, Ems? Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect location. Yeah, see those bananas? They flew those in from Vietnam. Everything you need. I'll have to check out the fish and seafood later. I got some vegetables over here. Yeah, I like that it's so close. Come here, grab what we need, and we can take them right back home in just a few minutes.
Oh, I got. Oh my God!
Perfect.
I got a chiller bag. I'm not worried about it. Scoop for beef stir fry.
If you need any pots, pans, stuff for the kitchen, I think they have a few of those around here. Bamboo steamer, you need one? Hun, you need a bamboo steamer? They got them.
That's nice. That's for siu bao. Make a siu bao.
I have to get one and then convince Emma to use it. Cook something up for me. Oh snap, they got the 3-in-1 coffees, the instant coffees. I'm always a sucker for that. I think in Singapore was where I first started using them. All right, on to the next adventure. Definitely got some good fish sauce. And then these hot sauces. I always like to try the different ones. Chinsu. I have to try that. Shrimp sauce, rice vinegar. Okay. Ooh, sweet and chili sauce for the spring rolls. I love it. They got different fish sauces over here if you want to try
I
them.
need a sweet and sour.
You see down here? They have a bunch of... I know she was looking for some...
Cái này cá thác lát cái gì nữa.
I don't think I've seen it anywhere else, but I saw it on YouTube. They actually have Sting here.
Cái này
Soxy.
bỏ đi vậy.
Sting energy drink. Haven't seen that anywhere else.
Cái này là trao.
Definitely a good selection of rice, depending on what you want to cook.
Còn cái này. Cái đó là ớt. Này nó có bán sa tế hả? Sa tế có. Sa tế.
Got a little ice cream. Oh wow, that's cool. Haven't seen those at some of the other Asian stores. The durian ice cream bars, boba packs, boba brown sugar milk bar. Man, that's the downside. You start eating that ice cream and it's hard to stop. Fish cakes. You want any fish cakes? Snails and coconut sauce, kimchi fried rice. Oh, I like it. Oh wow. Cheese and rice cakes. They got some good stuff.
Yeah. I hope we keep it like this.
Huh. Is this sardines?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yes, it is.
It looks like.
It's 7.
Obia's checking out the fish. Are you going to get any? It's up to you. Need to get her a hat to work in the garden. If you like instant coffee or you need some backup, definitely a cool place to come get your backup instant coffee. Try out different flavors. Those things are great when you wake up late or you want something to take with you to work. Just add hot water and boom. It's already got the creamer and sugar in it. Im's is checking out. Say bye.